scene 4, Cundall.
Yeah, that's perfect, thank you.
I think the practice was always set up with excellence in mind because of a poor reputation amongst consulting engineers at that time. And Geoffrey Cundall was particularly interested in energy efficiency and the environment, and it developed from there. I think we were always at the forefront of new innovation, but we would assess it. We didn't just follow the crowd. We would try and see if it was beneficial, if it would stand up because of things like professional indemnity insurance and things like that. You had to be certain it was going to work. But we were always looking at new ways to do things and integrate with the teams. Yeah. I first met Geoffrey Cundall in 1960 when I started work. And shortly the year after that, David Gandy was in the same company, so I knew some of the partners at that time. The practice was developing, and I joined in '79 mainly to help with Edinburgh office. But after a short while, we started working in London. Daily Telegraph were refurbishing their offices in Fleet Street, and the job was going wrong. And so they asked us through an architect contact to monitor that project. And we developed a relationship with the Telegraph. And after a short time, they asked if we could add cooling to their printing plant. And it was quite a difficult thing to do while they were still carrying on printing. But we built up a great relationship with the Telegraph. And that then developed into trust with the client, and they said they were going to move out to Fleet Street, build a new printing works, and we could design that job for them if we opened a London office. And that was how London office started, really. But the first job in London was actually run from Newcastle office. We opened London office in '81, just round the corner from here, with 3 or 4 of us. And the practice expanded from there, really. If we didn't think we were going to perform to our standards, then we wouldn't go for the job or accept the job if offered it. But generally, we had mouths to feed, so we took whatever work was there, providing we could do it to our satisfaction. Quite often we would take a cruise on the Thames just to promote the feeling that the staff were our key asset, and I think that goes through the practice today. Our only asset is the staff that are working for you. Part of the interview process was always, can I work with this guy or lady? And if they fitted into that scenario, then I would employ them, assuming of their technical excellence as well, or qualifications. It is all about trust. My ethos at the time was that you had to enjoy work. If you didn't enjoy it, you're working in the wrong practice, because if you don't enjoy it, you don't give your best. I suppose that was my mandate, and always be honest. If we had a problem on a job, I would go to the client and tell them about it, and tell them how we were going to get out of it. I suppose it's character. I can't think of any one thing that I would tell other people other than lead by example, really.